Hello, doctor. This is Emmanuel Ejeu, and today I'm going to take you through the practical assignment 2, which is to set up a cloud storage solution, implement a cloud storage solution using S3 Amazon Web Server, which I have used, and I'll set up a content delivery network and ensure that the data is secure and accessible with proper submission with the proper permissions. So in order to do this, I'm going to log into my Amazon web server, and by now I'm already logged into the server. Sorry about this. I'm going to log into my Amazon web server. Because I'm already logged into it, I'll just go step by step so that I do not miss out on anything. So I used S3. So S3, once I go to S3, I should be able to, if I search for S3, so once I come to S3 like this, I am going to have to create a bucket. So it's just that I already have a bucket as I created it. Otherwise, I'm supposed to click on buckets and then I click create bucket. And as you can see, I already have a bucket. But if I'm to click create bucket, I will use a general purpose bucket. I'm going to put the name of the bucket. I'm going to the access control this. I'll have it disabled. I'll block public access settings for this bucket so that it is secure. I have disabled. I have just taken the default the the default settings, and server side encryption by that is managed by Amazon. That's what I have chosen, and then I'll finally create the bucket. And if I create the bucket, this is what we have. You are seeing two buckets because I also had to create a trail to monitor this network. So when I'm in this bucket, then I am able to click. I was able to upload files. You can see I uploaded a video, and I also uploaded a document which can be clicked and accessed, and you can actually look at the settings. So these are all the ones. If you just click on so this is the object URL. If you click on it, you see you cannot actually access it. Access has been denied. So how to use it? We are supposed to set up permissions and to also enable server side encryption, and that means that I'll have to create a I will have to create a content delivery network. So I'll have to go to CloudFront. So once I click on CloudFront, because it's the one that is used for the content delivery network, the cloud front. So if I'm to click on this cloud front, I'll be able to now create a content delivery network. So I'll have to click create distribution, and it's going to create for me a distribution. And once it creates for me the distribution, I'll be in a position to implement different securities and all that. So I will be in position set up the permissions to implement the security. And so in creating this, I just chose default, and I was able to secure data access, monitor, and optimize. So that's why if I'm to go back to my bucket, if I'm to go back to my bucket, I also had to create access lists and all the permissions. If I'm to go back to my bucket, you can actually see that if I'm to click on this video, I can actually view the video through its I won't be in position to use this, but I move to object actions and I share with a pre-assigned URL. So if I share this pre-assigned URL, I can simply say that let it be viewed for this one. Gives me like up to 12 hours. So if I choose for 1 hour, it's going to give me a URL. It's going to give me a pre-assigned URL that I can copy, and even if I move to any browser of mine, like as you see here, and then I paste it and I click enter, you should be able to watch the video. So this is how we do this. Let me stop the video because I not you can actually hear this. Hello, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how we do load balancing. I'm going to create so you have had a website on Amazon Web Services. You have had the sound, and that is it. So if I'm to close this, I was also able to test and verify and also track it. There is what they call trail that I created. So under my buckets, there was another one for trail. Since I'm running out of time, thank you for your time.